Oh my god, it is right. That's what Sarah had to do all the The husky is just like, I can't understand why he's just sitting there. He's just sad. I don't see what it now. There's not one of them. She just I don't know, the dog's fine. Pretty fast. Forgotten. Yeah.